Okay, so the first thing you do is you spell kindness. So you say, give me a K. So give me a K. And then if you have a partner, they make the K, but if they don't, you can make the K. K, you got your K, you got your K. And then you say, give me an I. And you make the letter I. You've got your I, you've got your I. Give me an N. N, you've got your N, you've got your N. And then we just clump a bunch of letters together and say, give me your D-N-E-S-S. And then you snap it. D-N-E-S-S, just like Chip. Way to go. And now we're going to go into another fun section. And it starts with hand motions where you start by hitting your legs first. So I'll let them start. Okay? And then you say, we're spelling kindness. Yeah, it's top of mindness. Yeah, all month you'll find us. Yeah, you make your binoculars. And then showing that kindness. So if you have a partner, they can catch you. But if you don't have a partner, you could just do like a kick, like, woo! Just like that. All right, and then we say, break it down. And when we say break it down, we go into another little chant that goes like this. When you have a lot to say, so you make your talking mouth, and then you say, as like you're brushing stuff off of you, yucky stuff has come your way. And now you're going to say, take a breath, take time to pray, choose the words that save the day, choose kindness. Woo-hoo-hoo! And then if you want to be really funny, you can say, word.